Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. So today I have a very special treat for you guys. I am here at my mother's house and she just completed her Christmas village for 2020 and she's allowed me to videotape it for you guys so you get to check out and see what she's done with her village. Also, before we get started, I just want to give you guys a quick thank you for those of you who have been willing to share your village with me. You guys have done a fantastic job on creating your village layouts. All of the mountains you've created, your base and platforms, they look absolutely amazing, and you guys have definitely inspired me to keep creating and given me ideas with your village layouts of things I can incorporate into my village next year. So thank you so much for being willing to share those. Also, for those of you who would still like to share your villages once you get them completed, you can still email me at miriamsmanor@gmail.com, and it's spelled exactly how it is on my channel. So let's go ahead and get started on Mom's video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you can get notified of all the additional videos that I will be posting the rest of this season. Also, I just created an Instagram account called Miriam's Manor. So the reason I did this is I was receiving some requests from you all that you wanted to see the rest of our group's Christmas Village videos and pictures. So I created an Instagram page called Miriam's Manor. Now, you guys, please be patient with me when it comes to social media. I am so behind the times and I do not even know how to use this page yet. I literally just set it up this morning. This is the first Instagram account that I have had. So if you guys already know how to use it and you're able to post stuff directly to it, go for it. Otherwise, I will be studying and learning it, and if there is more information that I need to give to you in order to do so, I'll be learning that over the next couple of days, and I'll give you updates and how to access that. Also, if you have any questions, please leave me a line in the comment section and I will get back with you. And as always, stay safe. God bless you. I hope to see you back really soon. If I am not able to, then please have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.